The Nike Shox R4 in Bust Gray, Dusty Peach, College Gray, and Dark Hazel delivers a clean yet futuristic look inspired by early 2000s performance design. The neutral gray upper creates a fresh and modern base, while flowing lines and subtle curves add depth and structure. Dusty Peach accents on the swoosh and heel Shox columns introduce a soft contrast that keeps the design visually balanced. Fine stitching and textured side panels enhance the shoe's premium feel. The midsole blends College Gray and Dark Hazel for a grounded, powerful appearance, while the black outsole provides grip and everyday durability. Breathable mesh around the tongue and a soft inner lining support comfort during extended wear. Known for its shock-absorbing heel technology, the Nike Shox R4 represents a key moment in sneaker innovation. Today, it continues to stand out as a fusion of performance heritage, street culture influence, and modern lifestyle appeal.